How to install the water pump on Toyota and Lexus with a 3.0 and 3.3 liter engines? First, ensure the water pump surface is nice and clean before applying sealant. Apply a very thin layer of sealant on the water pump surface. I prefer to use gray sealant because it is for high flex and oil resistance, but also there are others that do an excellent job as well. Remember, this is only a very thin layer of sealant. Now let's apply another thin layer of sealant where the water pump is gonna seal against the engine block. Again, ensure the surface on the engine block is nice and clean before applying sealant. Spread the sealant with the tip of your fingers and ensure there are no cuts in between to avoid coolant leaks once you're done with the job. Let's install the gaskets and press it a little bit evenly against the engine block. Now install the water pump after 3 or 5 minutes after applying sealant. And tighten the bolting nut at 71 inch-pounds. Thanks for watching.